Welcome back to The Common Whys, your destination for answers and facts that'll leave you saying, "Wow, I never knew that." Have you ever wondered why we yawn? That irresistible urge to take a deep breath and stretch seems to be contagious. But what exactly causes this phenomenon? Yawning is an involuntary reflex that begins in the brain. It is triggered by a special group of nerve cells called mirror neurons. These neurons, found in the motor cortex, play a role in imitating and mimicking the actions of others. When we see someone yawn, our mirror neurons fire up, leading to a contagious yawn. But why do we yawn in the first place? While scientists haven't uncovered the exact purpose, there are several theories. One is that yawning helps regulate brain temperature, increasing blood flow and oxygen intake. Another theory suggests that yawning helps us stay alert and focused, by releasing certain chemicals in the brain. Yawning has also been linked to empathy and social bonding. Studies have shown that contagious yawning is more likely to occur between people who have a strong emotional connection. It's a way for our bodies to communicate and synchronize with others. So, the next time you feel a yawn coming on, remember that it's not just a sign of tiredness or boredom. It's a fascinating phenomenon that showcases the intricate workings of our brains and their connection to those around us. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing scientific discoveries.